Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to embed a PDF in Google Sites. First, go to sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to add or embed a PDF on. Now that you're inside your website editor, you need to upload your PDF file in your Google Drive. To do that, just go to drive.google.com, then hit this new button and select new file upload. Locate your PDF file on your computer. This is mine. Double click it and you will be uploaded to, as you can see, upload complete. Now return to Google Sites. Make sure that you're inside the Insert tab. Click on Drive, click on Recent, and you will see your latest uploaded PDF to Google Drive. Click on it and hit Insert. And just like that, as you can see, people with access to the site, new name, won't have access to this file. Hit Share. Now make this new PDF element bigger. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also enhancing your Google Sites, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites. Additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now make this new PDF element bigger to take the size of the PDF page. I think now it's correct. Yes. Now save your changes by hitting the publish button 2 times, and let's view this page live. Scroll down to the PDF, and this is my PDF. As you can see, this is the first page, and if I need, I can zoom in and move to the second page. Or just I can scroll down the file just like that. And this is how to embed a PDF in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.